In the cheerful neighborhood of Willow Creek, Charlie the cat was not just any ordinary feline. Known for his culinary flair and endearing personality, Charlie had undertaken a mission: to teach the local children how to make easy, healthy snacks. His adventures in the kitchen were a blur of excitement, creativity, and occasional mishaps that only added to the fun. Today, Charlie was all set to introduce the children to a delightful treat called fruit faces. With a vibrant array of fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and kiwi arranged in front of him, Charlie was ready to transform these ingredients into quirky and nutritious snacks. Gathering the children in his cozy kitchen, he began by demonstrating how to slice the fruits safely with a plastic knife, ensuring everyone's tiny hands stayed safe. "Now remember," Charlie purred, "a fruit face must have a bright smile and happy eyes. Let your creativity flow." As he showed the children how to arrange the slices into cheerful faces on their plates, giggles filled the room. Just as everyone was getting the hang of it, Charlie's paw caught the edge of a flour jar left on the counter from his previous baking experiment. With an unceremonious thud, the jar tipped over, sending a cloud of flour wafting through the air and landing in a soft, snowy heap on Charlie and the giggling kids. "Well, that wasn't part of the recipe," Charlie remarked, shaking off the flour with a chuckle, his whiskers twitching comically beneath the powder. The unexpected flour shower had the children laughing so hard their faces scrunched up, looking even more like the fruit faces they had just created. Undeterred, Charlie led the children through another exciting recipe, the Rainbow Veggie Wraps. With a medley of colorful, crunchy vegetables spread before them, they learned to roll carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers into whole grain wraps, creating a visual feast as delightful as it was nutritious. Each new culinary endeavor under Charlie's guidance was a chapter of delicious fun interspersed with laughter and the occasional bit of chaos. In Charlie's kitchen, healthy eating was not only about nourishment, but also about creativity and joy. As the children waved goodbye, their excitement palpable, they left with not just a new recipe in hand but memories of a humorous, flour-dusted afternoon led by Charlie, the neighborhood's beloved culinary cat.